Hey, this is Sandy, and I'm coming to you with a really cool box that I got from Simply Earth. It is the Bath and Spa DIY kit that comes with this great hero guide. It gives you access to a lot of really cool stuff. There are 14 recipes in here. Everything you need to make it, make the recipes. And you need to add some things from your home, some carrier oil, some sugar, baking soda, cornstarch. I think that's it. And any other essential oils that you want to use. I am not using the essential oils that came with this box for this specific recipe. I'm going to make the whipped sugar scrub recipe. This recipe is going to include Happy Joy, which is one of my favorite scents, and lemon. It has a nice, it cuts the lemon kind of cuts the sweet, super sweet smell of the Happy Joy. It's one of my favorite scents to put together. I also like to put Happy Joy with tangerine, Happy Joy with grapefruit. So what I have done is I have taken all of my carrier oils and butters and melted them together. I have let them come to a cooler consistency. I'm going to go ahead and whip it up. So let's see if this bowl is too shallow. So you would use a sugar scrub in the shower when you finish bathing, like when you finish washing. You want to use the sugar scrub afterwards. This is going to not only exfoliate, but it's going to moisturize your skin. It's going to feel really good. Probably should have used a deeper bowl. So let me go ahead and turn this off, finish whipping it, and I'll be back to you in just a minute. Okay, moved it to a smaller container, added a little bit of orange mica powder for some fun. I am going to add the essential oils, which are, like I said, Happy Joy and lemon. And I'm gonna whip those up real quick. And then I'm gonna add the sugar. I have my 8-ounce jar all ready together. Labeled and dated. And then, here we go. Put it in my 8-ounce jar. I'll use this in the shower when I finish washing, and it'll make my legs nice and smooth and nice and soft. Again, there are actual essential oil recipes for your creations. There's quite a few of them listed in here. And so that'll be fun to try different ones of those if you're not sure what scents you might want to use. This kit came with 5 essential oils. Happy Joy is one of them. And so you can experiment. Not only can you make this whipped sugar scrub, you can make it about 20 different ways with all the different combinations that they put in the kit. And if you have any questions, get back to me, leave me a message below. I have a 10% coupon code, which I will also leave below for you. This is the whipped sugar scrub from Simply Earth's new Bath and Spa DIY kit. It is over $400 value, and you're getting a lot. And you're getting to make 14 recipes that are included with so many different scents. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 different recipes, scent recipes. Add your own oils at home, like I did when I added the lemon. So you can do this any way you want. What this is really awesome for is girls' night in. Just add wine and a charcuterie board, or it would be really great to make as Christmas gifts. You could, again, have so much fun. Mica powder comes with the kit, so you can do whatever colors you want. You can make the same recipe, add different colors for different people. possibilities are endless. You really need to get this kit. Again, everything's below. Questions, leave below, and I'll get back to you. Take care. Have a great one.